Alright, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the brush. On today's episode of Bustin' Brush Outdoors, we're going to be doing some rabbit hunting. We got Daisy and my dad out here, and we're at a new public land spot here. We've never been here before, so should be pretty decent. There's some real thick habitat around this edge of this grassy field, as you can see. So we're going to see if we can put some on the ground for you guys. You guys stay tuned. She was running two different ones.
Was it?
Yeah, we turned one straight back. We saw it.
See that circle? It went straight out and then did a tiny circle.
Seconds after we moved, you shot, so we pushed it right to you.
It snuck down right on this edge right here. Yeah. I think we better hunt this one now, though, instead of...
Oh, her nose is bleeding, by the way.
Is it?
I can see on the snow there's blood.
It's just scraped up, I guess.
Yeah.
It's right on that white patch in there, see that?
Oh, that one over there?
Yeah.
Well, Daisy was definitely chasing two rabbits that time, because the one that me and Justin turned when we moved, it went straight back that way. And when she ran up to us, she ran right to where we were standing barking. So that rabbit must have got through before we got there, and she was chasing another one. And we were sitting not moving. And then as soon as we moved, we pushed that rabbit right to my dad, and he shot it. And we think it's dead over here. Not 100% sure though. So Daisy's on that other one right now. So let's see if we can't get him down. You guys stay tuned.
Oh, there he is, yeah.
Where? Oh yeah, he rolled down the hill.
Yeah, you got him. Is he toast? Oh, he's toast.
There he is, boys, number one.
Huh?
I don't think I got him.
No?
There's blood right here. Oh, yeah, I got him right here.
Oh,
I hit him in the ear, too.
yeah. Real.
I definitely hit him in the back leg right there.
Oh, yeah. Hit us, Bunny right here. You got him.
It is! There's Bunny!
Bunny right here, girl.
I could hear him in there.
I heard him too.
And he just...
There's Bunny right here, girl. Come here, Pop.
I'm surprised I hit that.
I think that was the original one she started.
I don't know. Here's rabbit number 2. It was the one that me and Justin turned. And again, we shot it on the road, just like my dad shot his other one. We were up here, and it was hopping around right in front of me. I could hear it, and I could see Daisy coming like 20 yards behind it. And she lit up, and it just took off. I bet she was running 25 miles an hour. And I got real lucky and just sent one out there and knocked him down enough so that he couldn't run away, and I had to go up and finish him off. But that's rabbit number 2. Daisy is doing an amazing job today. These scent conditions aren't very good. We're gonna head back to our original spot where she jumped these, and we'll see if we can't get any more for you guys. Yeah, stay tuned. Got him!
Good job, girl.
Hold me a bit, Brian. Wow. Let me finish him off first.
Get that bunny.
Good girl. Good job. You were on him. Man, that thing let her stay close.
I saw it go behind
Yeah,
the big
I saw it go in that pile. I thought it was going to hop in front of us. Man, I got lucky to get, look at where I shot through.
Oh yeah, that's.
Wow. Good job. Good job, girl. Well, here's rabbit number 3. Daisy was about 50 yards away from me when she jumped it the first time, and as you can see, it ran right by me. It was cooking real fast, so I took one shot in front of me, and then I had a wide open shot, but I couldn't shoot because Justin was standing over there and we were just kicking brush, so obviously I wouldn't want to shoot right at him, so I had to wait for it to get way in front of him, and I tried another shot, but I didn't get him. But luckily, he stayed in here, and me and Justin ran up here, got in front of him, and I don't know if you can see on the footage, but we saw this guy hop up into a brush pile about, I don't know, 20 feet from us, and I'm not sure how he got all the way down here and got out of that brush pile without us seeing, but I threw 2 shots through some thick brush and knocked him down. So there's rabbit number 3. We're gonna keep working. You guys stay tuned. All right, well, that'll do it for today's hunt. We ended up getting 3. Got to shoot a lot at that second one, as you guys could see. I missed 3 times, but got it on the 4th. But Daisy did a great job with the scent conditions today. It was a little tough, but she did great. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Really appreciate it. See you guys next time.